The Eucharist is so important for us to become children of God through the only begotten Son. And this is obedience to the Son, who said the night before this happened, "Do this in commemoration of me." Whenever you remember Christ, we gather together, we break bread. We make Him present, or we are present before Him. Because this moment has become eternal, the union of man and God, the victory of the woman is actually a happening not just in Golgotha, where the skull symbolizing death is completely defeated. It is happening in our midst. Whenever we do this thing, what thing do we do? When we break bread, when we eat the bread which has become the body of Christ, when we celebrate our being washed by the blood of Christ to the chalice of the wine that becomes His blood, the fulfillment of God's plan takes place. Through this event that has transcended time and space, the union between God and man has become eternal, new, and never-ending union, covenant with God and between God and man.